in issue 57, we'll hook up the left body, right body, and the neck scarf together with the circuit board using the cables that are bundled with today's magazine. So let's get started. First, let's take out the power switch. Then we are supposed to align the switch with the scarf. Okay, so next we are supposed to use M2 by 4.5mm screws. So this is the one. So once we push the circuit switch in, it should flush together with the neck scarf. Okay, next we have to run the cable along the groove and to stop in the middle of the neck. Okay, there we have it. Next we will need the left body. So we should pass through all the cables from the neck through this slot over here. So let's pass these two through first, and then followed by our power cable. Okay. So after the cables are through the slot, we have to sit the neck scarf at the top of the body. Now we need to use the M2 by 8mm screws to secure the neck scarf to the body. When we are looking down on the night motor, we have to turn the motor clockwise. So once we see the first screw, we have to insert the screw here to secure the scarf to the body. Then we will rotate the neck motor counterclockwise to find the screw hole at the bottom. It's supposed to secure over here also. Okay. So once this is done, let's set this aside. Now we have to remove the circuit board from the fixed board, and we'll transfer this circuit board to the right side of the body. So now with the motor over here and the arm on the right side, the SD card should be facing out. Let's tighten the other screw. Okay. So once we have done with the screws, the wire from the right shoulder should connect to the adapter in the middle. So this will be where we will connect our cable. Okay. Next, we have to prepare the left side of the body. So this particular cable that is coming out from its own hole near the speaker is the motor to our left arm, and this will go on to the second port from the bottom, which is this adapter over here. Okay, next, connect the white adapter of the wire extended from the edge of the speaker support to the speaker port. So to the side of your speaker, there's this white adapter from the cable at the end of the cable. It's supposed to go onto this connector over here near the micro SD card. So now we have connected our speaker. We have to take this switch connector, which is the one with 4 cables, to the connector in the middle. Okay. Next, our power cable, the one with a split end. We will use one end of the cable to connect to the power socket over here. Okay. So let's move to the next page. Okay. So step 19, we are supposed to insert the wire from the scarf into the gap between the left body and the scarf. So use your finger to press the wire into the gap to prevent wire exposure. So basically what it meant, so right now the cable is running through, cutting across the body plate. So instead of cutting through, it's supposed to be slot inside. The cable should run around this slot and then come in through the gap over here. So Let's try to shift this in. Okay, so once we are done with that, we'll combine these two parts together, and be careful not to catch any wire. Okay. So now we have connect both parts. They're supposed to secure the two parts together with the screw. So this time round, the neck motor will rotate counterclockwise first to locate the first slot. And we'll rotate clockwise to find the lowest screw. Okay. Then we are done. Let's set this aside. We'll take this metal part and the L-shaped arm. So holding the L shape this way, we will see there's a screw hole on the right. On the metal plate, on one side and one of the screw hole, there's a curvature over here. So this is where we will secure the plate to the L-shaped arm. So once we tighten, we should loosen back around half a round. Okay. So we'll take our body and connect this L-shaped arm. Okay. And the last step, we are supposed to prepare our cable. As usual, we will leave it until when we need it. And then there you have, we have completed issue 57.